Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 on PC. So let's get started. First, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. Since this is a new horror survival release from the same universe as Poppy Playtime, it may require a decent GPU, at least 8 GB RAM, and updated graphics drivers for smooth gameplay. Always check storage space as well, so the installation doesn't fail midway. Now, to download the game safely and officially, open the Steam client on your computer. If you don't have it installed, go to the official Steam website, download the installer, and sign in or create a free account. Once you're inside Steam, use the search bar at the top right and type the game name. Make sure you're selecting the correct chapter developed by Mob Games. On the game's store page, click Add to Cart, complete the purchase process, and then go to your library. Inside your library, click on the game title and press the Install button. Choose your installation drive, confirm, and let Steam download all required files. The download time will depend on your internet speed. After installation is complete, simply click Play from your library. If the game doesn't launch, verify game files through Steam settings or update your graphics drivers. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.